This is a leader.
Learning to take on a leadership role, more than 50 students from middle and high schools north of the Broad are being trained at Battery Creek High School by the Military Child Education Coalition, learning how to best support transient students and make them feel welcomed.
Our whole overarching principle for our program is that everyone that comes to your school is 100% accepted. So we really stress this, and we do some activities there again where they understand that they will need to accept every student that comes into their school and have a heart for helping every student.
The student-to-student workshop focuses on strategies to help military students transition to a new school, something many Beaufort County students have experienced firsthand.
I was a military child too, and I had to move from different places. So I understand how they feel and like what happens when they come to a new school. So I just wanted to help them out so they didn't go through the experience that I went through when I moved.
My transitions from different schools were all somewhat in a bad place, so I felt like I should be the one to step up and take the initiative to get up and help others.
During the two-day workshop, students learned about leadership and participated in several interactive activities.
I've learned that you need to accept people, not judge them of how they learn or how they are or how they look, their appearance. You just need to accept them for who they are.
You should talk to them about their old school, what they liked, and try to tell them what there is at this school that they could do.
The students are now working on a plan to take back to their schools to help new students adjust to their schools and communities.
If you're doing service projects, that's a good way to, when you get new students, to bring them in and have them get involved in the service projects, because that immediately helps them to meet a lot of new people, plus it also makes them feel part of the school, part of the community.
The school district was awarded a grant from the state to implement the program.
One of the reasons the state approached us is because there is a large military presence in Beaufort County. As we know, we have the Tri-Command, Parris Island, the Naval Hospital, and Marine Corps Air Station Beaufort, and they're using our program as a study, and they will be approaching other school districts throughout the state to also implement the student-to-student program.
Middle and high school students from Bluffton and Hilton Head will be trained tomorrow and Friday. At Battery Creek High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
What I'm going to challenge you to do